Right, good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Bapsfontein. We're going to quickly replace our old Centurion D3 sliding gate motor. So many clients are upgrading their older gate motors to the smart gate motors, and sometimes we get some gate motors that we can fit for other clients. So just to quickly compare the old gate motor, old Centurion D3, and this D5 Evo looks much better. Right, let's quickly put it in. Right, the old motor is off. Base plate is casted into concrete, so the platform is secure. And we're quickly going to put in the new gate motor. You can see that the client that struggles with his gate motor, as they kept on putting grease all over the tracks. So that's just going to give you problems all the time. Grease shouldn't be put on any gate motor. So let's have a quick look here. So for most of the clients, they would argue that you just drop in a new gate motor. But if the platform is not secure, then it's no use dropping in a new motor. You've got to make sure that the motor is sturdy, mounted sturdy, because any looseness of the motor will be picked up by the motor and it can be seen as an obstruction. So what we've done is we've welded the steel gate rail onto the steel post on the left hand side, and then we've reinforced the gate motor steel base plate by welding steel plates onto the steel gate track. We're just going to quickly check and see if the spacing is enough for the motor and the sliding gate and the steel rack to pass by everything. Let's quickly have a look. Welcome back. We're done. 4 hours later. Had some setbacks. The gate motor concrete base was not lacquer secure, so we secured it. As easy as that. You can see that we've welded the steel gate rail into position, supported it well in all areas. Let's quickly test it. It's running smoothly. I'll get a little bit closer to the motor, then you can hear it, that there's no laboring of the motor, there's no jumping, vibration, nothing. That's it. So guys, if you want your gate motor installed, repaired, serviced, just give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za. Check out Exquisite Security. Sorry about that one. And yeah, we work the whole of Gauteng. Here's the old motor. It's redundant. Just gonna chuck it away. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos. Just quickly show you here at the back all of the added brackets. So this obviously the concrete base of the gate motor is properly secured, so it's going nowhere. Thanks for watching, guys.